It's a beautiful day, spring. I hope it's not a hawk trying to come get my chickens. Look at them. They get all scared. Yep. I'm almost sure tem hawk close by. That's why the crows are doing that noise. Bem aqui, Angel, nessa árvore ali. Fica olhando. Você sabe dar um tiro? Well, I don't speak English because I'm recording. He's trying to save his bird.
Você escutou?
Yeah, I heard. I just let go my chickens to have a free time, and we have a hawk around, a huckleberries around. Look at the chickens; they're getting all scared. They hide. They know dangers is around. But at least Zara is here to protect them. Look at the rest. Somebody's taking care of their bird. Oh, I feel bad. They're all scared. Look at that. They're all hiding. Oh, they didn't even finish lay their eggs yet. 11 eggs so far. This one is brave. Look at that. She doesn't hide.
Eles comeu a parte dos ovos e deixou o resto.
Let me check for the small chickens. They're all hiding somewhere here. Oh, now the white one is in there. Zara is having the moment of her life. Right, Zara? Why she has this in her mouth? Because she likes to eat all the poop from the chickens. That's why. Right, Zara? Let's go see how's my garden. I mean Bruno's garden.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Yeah, it's growing. Look, the strawberry flower. Vichin, do you miss home?